and I don't go to school with on my birthday. You know why? I was so expected for Disney. Was he today? Was a place today?
Mawicabanga ukuthi mawuhleli ke ngicabanga ukuthi ungisabe outfit ka-adi. Just know ukuthi leyo nto leyo it's not you, it's the fear of ukuhlulwa. Ngathi ngoba nakho ade efaka i-crop top enhle uthi hayi ngiyachange.
Don't do that.
Please like and share.
Leave a comment.
Hit the notification button up below and a clang.
Yes, yeah.
Then watch the video till the end.
Yes, honey, and be the girl that's in tune with the girl.
Iyangikhumbuza ukuthi ngubani.
Yeah.
Like yangibova liyabona.
Like ni angel kaJesu. Mangena esikoleni nje ngapha ngifaka ifront lami blonde vision at isikiphe sibheka lapha white. Mangena. Kwaqala kwacomplain usay what? Yo, siqhameza usemuhle ngathi ngiyabona usay. Ngibe ngidlula. Like it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Omi. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Hey guys, it's the Bay Nekasike Stories, you know us. What's up?
Yeah.
So I go by the name Opie Watts.
O'Brien.
Hi, I'm Shadow Adrian.
It's your girl, you know, the better, the names that I gotta tell you. That's how you already know, but
Like you don't invent. Hey guys, it's a cross bush mamizi ibhodlela lakho le ice drop
Yes,
haze ngimnandi njengayo
Kanjani?
ungabi mnandi mina kuyoba mnandi yabona lapha
Ausnelly what? Ausnelly what?
Kayisha kusoma individual lashes bazokuthini bazokuthini bazoshada community ngicela nibambe.
Hey Banyana, it's a girl I was nearly on the block, the dopest of the ropers.
Kushanya wena. Basibona lokho phathelini ngikushanga sibhaqa. I'm not sure ngiphothelela ice mina ngiphothelela
Ngiyabhakile ngathi no. Nabantombazana baze something man, singithi nami something different on the table.
I bring introduction on the table. Unayon.
Like Mamela.
Bathi intombazane mayimele ibe ne-introduction.
Like
njengoba ngosmami iphodlela le ice drop heads. And then ngimnandi njengayo. Manje mina kuyoba mnandi bani. Uphi O'Brien Staban saka mamakhe the most talked about ke ikasi. Yena la Betty the baddest bitch esemzansi. Ausnelly on the vlog. Ngiyakhohlwa igama cause lintsha. Mushado Adrian the blonde sister on the video. Like guys ngonyana abele introduction ngonyana ke intro. Bari ngonyana ke stick. Okay,
guys. We're done introducing ourselves, giving y'all stuff to you guys, giving y'all the names, the you know the introduction.
We are so happy about Nelly's new intro.
Yo,
actually, I was shy.
Nelly on the block.
Manje.
So guys, today of course. Ipetega bitchy, ipetega yonkinto, ipetega wow, ipetega queen yes, ipetega wow, yes, okay, mama yo wow. Okay guys, today of course we met me and my girls.
No, mama kena, tipo no,
okay, Shab, okay. So today guys, we're going to speak about how important is birthdays to us and me and my girls, because yes, the just the today's topic are going to be based on birthday today. This is the birthday J. Today J
Birthday topic.
The importance of birthday. Yeah.
then so gcina ngale So guys, the first thing I want you guys to know that
Stop gonna now.
no, I'm
Like it's funny like when I was explaining because namhlanje everything. That's why it's funny
She's asking you a question.
okay, question.
So she can finish. Yes, please.
So yeah, answer.
So guys, today I want me and my girls to talk about birthday, as I said. So I want to ask, and they also going to have questions to ask whatever they want to ask about birthday, how the birthday. Okay, so first thing I want you guys to know, and us to know, because we don't usually speak about birthdays.
Birthdays, yeah, we don't talk about it a lot. Yeah, it doesn't happen all the time.
So the birthday, nothing. Oh, Bengfunu Guti, guys. I wanted to say, is like, do you find a birthday very important to you? Is it important or not important?
Okay, bye.
Is your birthday important to you or not important?
Yes, it is important.
It is important.
Yeah, it is.
Everybody says it's important.
Chum, can you answer B?
Can
Reasonable.
why
Yes, then motivates.
To motivate.
Listen. Yes, me up is the motivation.
I get you.
some so late
Ngathi like first thing first, I celebrate birthday. I'm like hosted something big, baby. Mara ngihlezi ngiphuma most of the time when abangani bami we celebrate out. Yeah. And I have to appreciate the life engiphilayo,
like the years.
I've made it, yeah.
True. Exactly.
Personally on the vlog.
Birthday. It's very important. With a bold, important.
Daddy!
Because young kumbuz go to ngubani.
Yeah. It makes you feel alive. That's beautiful. It's one way to celebrate birthday.
Like young boy, by the mother. Students go the podcast even in order, please.
Yes, because we like being disruptive.
Okay, yeah.
So guys, young kumbuz go to ngubani. Like important because wamele ngibonge le minyaka engiyiphilile. Like young kumbuz, how important am I?
Exactly.
So when was the last time you enjoyed your birthday? Like
it was last year.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah. It's a recent one. Beautiful. Over to you.
what's the
please. Potency birthday yakho.
So, okay guys, birthday means a lot to me, Jane. My birthday name, like in Kumbuza, like when mangizwa but successful birthday like it's feeling Chumi no nyasho like mangizwa like Chumi uzwa like look at successful birthday like mangizwa like ukuthi sasi 18 October. Chumi vile ngala ukuthi yo my mom screaming for me ukuthi ngiphume nje ngaphandle. Ngiphume nje ngaphandle job ukuthi siqhameza bona umhlaba.
Nje
siqhameza bona umhlaba.
Bonila.
Guys ngisho mubathi 18 October ngivele like ngisfeel like yo jemla ngiyayithanda birthday yami like ngiyalithanda ilanga lami. Like I felt ukuthi ne every time ngaba birthday yami I have to do something. I have to have a plan. Ukuthi my role ihambe kanjani. Yeah. And when last birthday yami enjoy every 18 October, I do enjoy my birthday because I'm going out. Sometimes I'm chilling out with my friends and my families, classmates. Like, guys, little bona this year. Little bona this year, guys. Like, nizos bonela this year.
Yeah, we can't wait. We can't wait.
Day.
So, for me, birthday, guys, birthday is very important. But for me, birthday, I'm going to celebrate, honestly. You know, I won't lie. Because I'm going to celebrate at the age of 1. nakhona angikhumbuli next because una one, you know. So mina ngithi what they do, they just buy cake, you know. It's never a celebration of I'm going out. You know, last year I had an opportunity to go to Nizikhiphe, but nakhona bese umsebenzini birthday yami. So I went out for maybe no even boots. So that's when I went out. That's when I started enjoying my birthday last year only. Actually, we enjoy actually, but nakhona ngi enjoy to a certain point because it wasn't on the day. It was it was before the day because big meeting for an event. So I didn't get to enjoy it. But I hope this year it's gonna be different though, because I know you know,
you got that. We got you.
We got you.
But
you know, yeah.
Okay.
I got your point.
So guys, for me, my birthday, the last time I enjoyed my birthday was, I think I was 16. That was the only time, and I was still living with my mom at the time. My mom said they celebrate her, they celebrate her 16 zami. Yeah, because yeah, King 25 because mom but mina being an introduced same month. So when I celebrate her now 16, I'm taking my cake, my balloon, you know, all those things. And so the other years I didn't enjoy my birthday, to be honest. I was always at home, depressed. Friends, I used to see them at school. And I don't go to school on my birthday. You know why? Because I think it's going. I was so expected for Disney. With he today was place today was so I didn't because at that time they say I enjoy birthday because but I didn't go to school all the time. Actually, no matter I was even writing exam, I don't go. So yeah, so now I feel like today I don't know today I didn't have plans. Okay, of course you have plans before your birthday comes, but plans don't go.
They don't go the way you want them to.
You have big plans.
Expectations.
So today, I really felt special, guys, because I don't know, things are going like today I was sleeping, the rain was even making me like you know. And so is the moment I woke up just it felt good. It's just I don't know, but today it feels special, and I feel like to everyone out there, birthday should be something that you celebrating good to figile it should be so important to everyone, because ilanga elibalekile if lelo langa like alfikanga bongeke uzalwe, you know. So I feel like it's so important, and when time goes on I just wish everybody should celebrate their birthday. It's so important because kuthi ufike lelo langa khona abanye bashone bangafiki, guys. So
exactly,
I mean a point again.
I
like the point. I post on 18 October. But then making sure to post on 3x ngoba ngaphuma ngo 3x.
Yes, girl.
Like if we are time so post on 3x.
3 I would like. Happy New Year mara umuntu wazalwa or ngiyi-1 siya-understand ukuthi asilali ekuseni phela simele ukuthi celebrate ngo-1
mara chomi like enye into ehlupha ukuthi yabo sizolinda loyo 3 loyo siposte wena ngo 3 ulele
angilalanga mina ngibheda mangilali ngiyoze ngiyolala ngo-19 and again this week ke siyakuphi
mara to be honest ngebhede yami mina ningayenzani Kinda long, but at the time, you know why you're excited.
You're excited for the next day.
Today is on, to be honest.
Call Angla, look like 3 balls.
Yeah, so my mom, you know why? Because I slept yesterday. I woke up number 10. Because I didn't have plans. I didn't know it's good to enjoy it.
You didn't think it's gonna be easy.
So wait, now of course you're going to not sleep because une outfit, une mali, une plans. You can't even wait. Like ngama service chom bengaladi mina. Singicabanga to the 10 rand. Okay, man, go to buy service. Ngizula today.
Join me a trip. Like mawulala. Mama, sikhathi bani manje ngathi ngizoba late. Ugeze mama ufuna ukuba ready. Mina plus nabe ngivuka early mngane. Like ngigeze ngizohamba ngiyokulanda. Choma kaqeda hayi manje akushipha sizohamba yo. Umzulu ngamthathingabi late.
Uvuka early chom lengathawala
excitement
like kunalento
and like now outfit uyayifeel ubelele ukuthi kugqoka ke manje nale thing for the fashionity Kulukulu bengathi like ni angel kaJesu like mangena esikoleni nje ngapha ngifaka ifront me blonde fashionate skip sibheka amaflapa white mangena kwaqala kwa complain usay what yo siqhameza usemuhle ngathi ngiyabona nje ngibengidlula like itsho uyangincoma angithi like that's why ngithi uya complain ngokuthi qala ngibheka wathi yo usengathi yini say wathi siqhameza usemuhle kanjani Jimmy ngidlula ngithi and ngiyabona isikole sami nemofuna like ba entertain qala block C uzobona qala block C block C ke ngithi ningangibambi ngiyibhedi iqale lapho qale lapho Jobi la ningangibambi ngiyibhedi
okay siyaphuma ne
no Jimmy
wena ihlangana ngapha so I looks like Maruto or something.
Okay, guys. So I want you guys to what you have things up. What can you say about Benji? What can you say about birthday?
Mina for me. Into engayisho ne ukuthi ibirthday iyakhumbuza ukuthi ungubani.
Yeah, that's a thing.
Uphilile like kunalento ukuthi bonga amalanga waphilayo because khona umuntu nje ushonile akafiki ne20
uyomdala
omunye nje asaphuma habe la shona so wena bonga isikhathi osiphilile
emhlabeni
because yo what if
ngiyathini mngala miyalifollow iBhayibheli ayo uyayifollow washe jombi iBhayibheli lakho ayo
kwamele for you to be successful
follow iBhayibheli
yes
not follow but read the Bible because the Bible lelinemilawo
Chema I know ukuthi iBhayibheli inemilawo but like usho me guys like usho ukuthi umzali ositshela into
tell me I'm your
aunt
antwethu konje usise okathi
but yenye into akaqambi man
yacho mvela like amanga
cause uqinisile isikhathi emhlabeni guys sisiphiwe umuntu wazi ukuthi ushana nini uNkulunkulu kuphela so every moment you get celebrate yonke into celebrate ngisho nevalentine noma ungena celebrate you know yeah kubalekile shem wena uthi uyenze njani birthday yemngani uthi wenze njani wena uyibona njani nje
Jimmy
appreciate ungaculi mzala
hayi kahle
ngangkhetheli
mama
okay ubeka mngani pendula umbuzo mngani
guys lento aqale ngayo sibese bora le kokufana nami
asikokofana
futhi uyadlala
abara si right ngamathi sharp asile ngamathi sibona ukuthi banokeza sharp yeah so ngepete yami like God can you please repeat your question I want to God
Chimbathi like ibirthday
like the significance like ichaza ukuthini kuwe like ungathini ngayo
ibirthday yami ichaza
no ibirthday
ibirthday
ngokwayo
like ibirthday ngokwayo ngisho ngimi usithola kasekuphilanga yibi abangeke how to birthday game yeah you like I take this very pop and then guys iminyaka uNkulunkulu akuphela ukuthi okay shaba mntana mphila isikhathi sona so
Can we stop?
shaba ngisakhenkele senyakhuluma manje yeah sure yeah uNkulunkulu isikhathi iminyaka akuphe yona ukuthi like uyiphile mntanami sharp like into enjalo guys ne I don't have a lot to say but ezinye izinto uchomoshilo as shilo actually yeah I say thank you for my point but ningisokolisile yo
ngizokolisile shem
yo kuni ngiphisa nangumza
no shem mara yazi shem mara guys kama mpela shem point anedi I think he is still around because like isibalulekile isikhathi onasemhlabeni and lokhu celebrate yabo phela guys not umuntu uyafika kuma 21
yo and
abantu abanye abafiki na ukucabanga
abanye bashona namhlanje langa lakho maybe kusasa ibirthday yakho or ushona
abanye bashona ibirthday yakhe namhlanje na ushona la same birthday yakhe cabanga uyandle which leyo nto leyo iyabonisa ukuthi most of the time uNkulunkulu akakutsheli makakukhumbulile you know makakukhumbulile it's unexpected you know you can't expect it you can't say you are waiting for that day you must make the most of your life usasenesikhathi you know the most of it yonke into ofuna ukuyenza emhlabeni yenza usasenesikhathi because makhamba isikhathi angisakhona ukuyenza masongeke emhlabeni uzenza kanjani
uzofuna ukucela uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngicobuyele emhlabeni ayikho
angeke ubuyele phela una 7 and nakhona maqodo kufa you have 7 minutes or to replay all your best memories so when ufuna ama best memories wakho kungabe ama memories la uzenze happy khona kungabe ama memories angena we understand mele nawe wazi ukuthi noma ngabe lo 7 minutes oba ngekho umuntu ozowazi ukuthi yini best memory yakho but lo 7 minutes leyo nje so uphephumele umphefumulo it plays in your brain you know it plays ukuthi okay I've done a lot in my life you know ikhonto engishile I've left a mark yabo Ibalulekile leyo guys anyway ibirthday mende celebrate ibirthday ibalulekile and this time ama birthday so make sure ukuthi siwa celebrate nani
nizap in the videos
nami nje
like ngithini
khona phela mngani utholela nasi
ningivalile eqaleni ukuthi op nje yena ngivala athi chubeka ngani
ngisho ukuthi like ama point abakhuluma yena nalo
Nelly yeah
so yeah I couldn't
ngamuzwa thini
because ngifake konke
ngamuzwa yangvovo nambona yangvovo
yiyo kuneli Thomi siqhubekele
Thomi ngike kungivova bese uthi ngiyeke Thomi kunini every time
okay so guys yeah but everyone said it's so important yo guys and then ngathini like everything guys ukuthi celebrate your birthday you know if unesikhathi and do whatever that makes you happy because memories like you're one of those good memories they're so important
they're important
because you never want to think about the bad memories of course but and you're like ngathi no matter ngelanga lakho lelizofika those people abasemncabeni bakho they want to have good memories about you and they want to talk about you
the things you did
the things you did
no
I'm just saying okay let me don't say emncabeni on a wedding okay let me say a wedding let me say a wedding let me say baby shower, let me say housewarming, let me say
birthday yako.
Birthday yako. No, those things.
They're all memories.
They're all memories.
Because part of memories,
best memories ever. I mean, talking about guys, but I was just making an example. But they are like couldn't they celebrate is you know. Those are memories.
And at this stage, celebration not like no goofa.
You know, after tears. That's why it's any of those people. Mangisho. What I wanted to say is, Uguti, Uad has something to say about me by the end of the day. All of you have something to say about. I also have something to say about each and all of
but
you.
Every memory has to be a good one.
It has. I can't speak something bad about anybody here. I have to speak the memories that we had together.
Yeah, the positive one.
The
Yeah.
good ones, like today in G. I'm tired. Shut. Yes. So yeah.
So guys, manje ke uyabona kuma birthday. Guys, enye into ngifuna ukuthi siyenze guys, ngathi kumele sibe nesitokubela zithi.
And vele
Isitokubela sama birthday guys.
Hayi vele sibe nazo.
October uyeza manje.
October ke akasayizwe indaba yesitokubela sekafuna ukucala.
Guys, so istokfela guys so senza after
yazi
lapha ngoma September.
Amela bheka
September.
isitokfela sama birthday asenzeni. Mangaba sihlanganisa imali, mangabe senza something like i-picnic sobufulinyana. Into esingazi ukuthi mangabe siyazi ukuthi i-birthday nge-weekend ngoba nge-weekend vele siyeza sizoshutha. Siphatha lokudla lokhu okuphatha mhlawumbe wena mangaphethe amasaladi. Mara ukhona uphethe okuthize, you know. Hayi isitokfela semali.
Guys nesemali singasenza and before sisenza ne asisenzeni sithengeleni uOP no Raven ama gift. Bese after then we can do
Yes, then we will discuss on its own because i-gift
I'm saying what is celebrating beside my gifts.
Yeah.
Just celebrating.
no, not
Yeah.
gift nothing.
baby.
Ufuna la gift ngadi.
Baby. Besakhuluma ngani?
Okay, ngiya-understand gogo.
So isitokfela kubalekile ukuthi sibe naso noma ngabe akusimali, but let it be something we can do as a group. Says ukuthi we invest in it like for ibete umuntu phela ayibo guys sibaningi we understand cabanga mangabe singathi sonke siyahlangana sithi birthday
And ayifana nokuthi like nje if you are
exactly they're on, you know, we can do a lot guys. So isitokfela ibirthday isitokfela ngathi singayenza nje official
it has to be official. And in terms of not just birthday, it's missing though.
Yeah.
So important. Spaning, you know, there are places that we must go
Yeah.
and they are cheap. And Tina Spaning, we like it's not about birthday parties.
Yeah,
it's
okay.
You know, we can also
make it like
go out.
go out mhlawumbe once a month mhlawumbe siyobonela nje noma ngazi ngavele sohlalisa update
And the vele
basibone, you know, which
base
is
singena
good,
bazothumoyile sayicaba ne-trend ku-Facebook.
Every
And umuntu nje masho kanjalo yazi bathi yo nina na-trend ku-Facebook senazo ngiyabatshela mangibatshela ke mina ngivele ngithi singama Facebook entertainment.
nje
Sa-entertain Facebook singama-influencer.
No, but
hey,
no,
some
honestly,
influencer gone.
Ngivele nje ngibatshela kanjalo.
I feel like at this point it's no more about trending, it's about uthando lwe-artist yenza. Yabona manje masofocus ukuthi siyatrenda angeke sisafuna ukuyenza more sizobheka lezi ezitrenda or sobheka ukuthi sekuyi-trend.
That's why I said Guti, beside of having a kind of content-less let's make it more fun. You know, the time initially the vlogs, the picnics are also a content, you know.
Yeah,
and then
Gateway with
the games, some games,
30 seconds.
you know,
Like,
just
okay,
those little
that's-
games. And then we come to the serious part and games. Like I feel like the content, we should have fun activities as content.
as content creators, yeah, we should have make it
I'm
fun.
You're right.
Yeah,
Okay.
make it fun.
Content creators.
Yeah.
We are the content creators vele siyenza content people
But I need to be also friends. We should be in this.
Fun in this you know, content in terms of content creating, I think we can all do a content creating in which we are good at as much as we do content, but content is most of the time ngathola ukuthi sinama idea ehlukile. Mhlawumbe uthanda into ehlukile, content ehlukile yabo. Uzoyenza le account yakhe mhlawumbe inini, but masihlangana we make it fun. You know, we make it a
Because
group
yabona
thing.
bazoyithanda just knowing ukuthi yo later abanye.
Maslangana.
masisibabona njengayizolo remember yesterday sibona mina amantombazane sebafufunela omunye ubhuti obashutayo
Like I feel like the content is so big.
okuphi like
Thomi
we
mabasibona
mean a
nje.
lot to people.
Yeah.
But bahlangane no that's what Jordan. Why lo bathi?
Ngokuleke uyakhona le day uzothi yeka bobheki.
Khona
Yeah,
phela stop
the day.
it. I'm sure bathi nje bahlangane
Bathi
nomuntu
bahlangana
owayithi.
nawe.
Othi Jordan.
Jordan.
Manje ngiyamazi ukuthi
Nami ngafika ngathi hayi weJordan umzala.
Yeah, namya.
weJordan umzala.
Nizol.
Yeah.
So guys, another 2 p.m.
Njengoba sengitshela ukuthi sibuya kwa
Actually.
incwadi please singibeke phansi.
So yeah,
So
guys. nearly on the block.
In a question.
Asinikana nangesikhathi sokuthi sibe nama-opinion ngoba kuyakhatha nama-disruption. Ngicabanga nendaba
So I think like in the stokvel sure because at the end of the day umuntu nomuntu uzobenefit.
Yeah.
Because okay yabona manje senzile ophi. Next time uwe uze lo because like omunye nomunye yazi ukuthi okay 10 years.
Yeah.
Like angeke abe nento ukuthi ngizoba lonely whatever
I don't have plans.
uyazi ukuthi okay nabangani bazongibheka nami bangena bazongifika.
Yo my friend inkulumo yakho mzala. Yobzala. Phakathi Chumi. Mina ngiyenda bekustopel Chumi. Ngiyazwisana nayo and the thing mina like engicabangayo ngepoint yami indaba yestokfel. Okay, sure. Like mina guys ngicabanga ukuthi maybe masesenza istokfel. Maybe masesikhipha maybe 50-50. Even ngebirthday kaBhedi la mafithanda yakuyi. That's my point. Like be stokfel.
But then you know.
No, listen. Yes, itoho mzana. Ayekuye. After then maybe K-sharp nyenze i-salad. Ayenze i-rice, ayenze something like maybe like mali yakhe so be gift mzana. Ama-present nje ama-present
50 rand gift.
Oh, okay.
Yabo like sesahlanganisa ukuthi okay sharp or ngaleyo mali leyo sithule maybe sithi chomayi wena this imantaka or we keep bese thina sithenga i-gift yethu sonke bese sisamnikeza. That's my point. Like into enjalo guys.
That's a good idea. That's a nice idea.
Yokwenza ukuthi simthengele gift
angayazi maka like ngitshela Chumi bese ngigcizelela ngale ukuthi Chumi uthandani.
So yabantu bangithandani. So yazi uthola igift.
Present food.
You know I feel like we can
Chumi angeke senze the same thing le ngisho. Angeke siyenze Chumi ngoba sakayayazi. Ngoba isebenzi la sakayazi angesisho
besides nalokho besides nokusondela ko-birthday but I feel like i-idea yakho inhle ngoba iyasiza nasekuthenini mhlawumbe mangabe kukhona wena into ofuna ukuyithenga you know ngaleyo mali mangabe leyo mali asithenganga singgift leyo mali mangabe kuna something oshoda ngayo nawe uyayithenga but enye into uphinde uyibheke ukuthi leyo mali leyo njengoba siyikoleka sonke kuzomela ukuthi kusho ukuthi la 50 rand awumele simake sure ukuthi siyalokho siyawa-collector because mase kufika leyo nyanga leyo
kamele sothenga
kumele leyo iphume leyo
phela Chumi ima one thing
ngicela mame siba 6 angithi sho ukuthi leyo 300 kumele nje siyazi ukuthi leyo 300 i-birthday yakhe ezayo kumele siyazi ukuthi i-300 siyabudget ngalelo langa ama-50 rand mele abakhona sho ukuthi nesikhathi sonke ukuthi uplane into oyichazayo leyo ukuthi umuntu uba namakhathi uplane ama-50 rand bese siza phezulu on top kalokho siza nokudla okudifferent
and yes Chumi ukudla okudifferent ukuthi vele sidleni and one thing engifukuyisho if guys like ninjeleni if wrong right bese if imali khona akwazanga ukuyikhipha in time ungathenga envelope ubhale igama lakho bese ufaka imali yakho phakathi usamnikeza umnikazi like as a gift ukuthi mzala angikhona ngokukhipha in time so like into enjalo Chumi because I have been there.
By the envelope, one thing we can fix in the envelope is that if mangaba our investor is stock filling in time, the envelope ungamnika ngelanga
lepete and I'm telling you sure ukuthi base feel like Chumi gifting osile ngokuyenza so but if wenza kanjalo uzene gift phezulu kwalokho
ukuthi ke mele ngibe serious ngencwadi futhi ze-stock filling
oyenza
or bana so
skip ama 200 uthenga incwadi Shoprite shop kahle
mara amampela
kahle
she has a point
nje
incwadi ngasisiza kakhulu because you know izini into esizenzayo uyabona ukuthi every week it's busy kanjani you know ukuthi masingabhala izinto zethu phansi singayazi progress yethu and singaba nendlela ya forward because siyazi into esenze before so going ahead we can do much better incwadi yabo mangabe sinama episode emele siyenze siyazi ukuthi sibhale episode with this week's episode man senzani yonke into ama-activity yonke into siyazi ukuthi sikhulume ngani nani ukuthi singaphinde ama-topic nakhona sikwazi ukuthi for the audience yethu we can also change it up a bit you know nabo ukuthi sometimes there's some stuff abazirecommendayo
one thing I have after you talk.
Yeah, nabo banezinto abazirecommendayo kwabona basendele ama-question like on our platforms and stuff. So what we can do, we can have that book whereby we can write down ama-questions namagama wama-act, because I don't think we are not allowed to start on my phone. Sayilungisa le yangithi, right? Utsibanele uncwadi if there's a question by someone that we would like to answer. Sibe siyazi ukuthi ibhale phansi kuleyo mabhuku lawo, kube ne-page estokfela, kube ne-page eshoyo ukuthi sishedula ini kanjani, content,
because it requires only everything.
even if it require, even if ile 72 page angabi phelile zothenga entsha, yabo, because the 72 page I think it's 72 pages enough, because a year we have like how many weeks? 56 weeks. So if it's 72 pages, every week we use one page. What we do in a week with a separate page. We write a date of that week. We know what sineplan ukuthi namhlanje sakusithola or in mabes nani. Mele senza kanjani? Organize nje nibona kanjani guys lento le? Yo organize yonke into yethu nje siyazi ukuthi ihleli
Ijabu.
And the question happened to me too.
But like the question nje ukuthi after the podcast, because it was told nje yona.
it's
So like
question now.
like guys, ask question nje isicelo.
Okay.
ngicela
Umdele. Isithole izolo sihlangana nabanye ama-lesbian ngathi they wanna be part of a podcast or noma yeah, bathe like bafuna sokukhulumela nawe, bafuna like nakuqosho yabo and stuff. So angazi ukuthi ngithini kubo, because mina ngithe kulo hlaleni kustokithi angizobuya ne-answer khona namhlanje, because namhlanje uthe uyapsoyoshuta ngathi yanyo shuta athi hayi ngicela sikhulumele ke ungakhohlwa ngithi okay sure. So before ngikhohlwa ke
okay, bafuna ukuba ne-show yabo
yeah, yama-lesbian.
Oh, it's okay.
So and then next time
yeah.
nami ngiyacelela kube competition site.
No, it's okay.
Sibuza imibuzo.
Ubani no bayingaka abantu bakhona?
Baningi so
baningi but
so i-team yebhola. Team yebhola.
Khona abanye abashayi, khona abanye so
sifuna abantu abakhulumayo, abantu bazonikeza content yabo.
So yeah,
beautiful.
bathi
That's
bazoza
nice.
but ngithemba abaqala ukuthi bashude nathi then
babona ukuthi i-energy njani,
just sibe nama-lesbian amanye nje maybe ayi-2
ukuthi
because bengisakhuluma next time izolo ngithi ngithe komunye nesikhathi ngathi uthini na neshow, ngithe kanti niskimene nibaningi kangaka, athi sifana nani niskimene, then abeseka ngathi athi nani bele sibekushow yini uyibona washo ngathi no if I bet in like me and asho lo munye athi ya vele ayifani yo, because bona ba no ba reserved, abanye ba reserved, abanye bayaphapha vele ngithi ngazo abanye ama-lesbian bila wa you know khona bena laba chilled abakam. So
no, it's okay, we can welcome them, or else I can host them. Even you guys can host them on your show, I can host them on my show as well.
Because for starters,
yes, for a start, you understand, introducing the show, yeah,
I think
introducing the show to the network, which okay,
because then it's especially next week.
Yeah, but I need to for starters
for a start I can have them, then introduce which guys will be having so and so show lana ku network, this is what's going to be happening here and there. So yeah, please guys, don't forget which I'm an ally when it comes to LGBTQI. So each and everything that involve it's either lesbian, I'm a trans, anything that they have, I'm willing to help.
That's nice.
All right.
Uvumi isicelo sami ngiyabonga nje kakhulu, because vele like ayisho ukuthi ke uyojabula ke lesbian masengimtshela ngithi hayi ke next door neighbor bathi next week lo bekathi ngicoko khaka
yilaba baphaphayo
khoshaya
lapho
ngeke bakakhaka kathi ngimfilile wena ukuthi njalo ngicela.
Okay, so already you guys, have you seen ukuthi kune host like njengani man bajaja nini? Have you seen ukuthi ikhona host? Because he hosting was
umuntu ohlala next door kini na for mina sho lo
utango ukhona la
uyakhulumile nje uyakhulumisa first time akhulumisa first time akhulumisa yo lesbian like it's boku first time ikhulumisa.
But are they watching your show?
Bayibukela show every when we drop nje bathi bayasaba ukukhomenta.
Why? Because the comment pusha amalona. So if they're not liking and they're not commenting, guys, the more the people are commenting, the more YouTube will recommend these videos to other
people.
Yes, exactly. So na shogi nina. Like as a intervene, even if you can just comment good yo small shulana, but like you were doing whatever just leave a comment so people can realize okay, so there are people who are checking this intervene out and stuff. So the more even you guys can comment, just imagine like 6 comment comment when comment revenue comment obi comment like it makes something. Do you guys understand? Even if like you guys are not watching, the show,
yeah,
they are watching,
and they're not subscribing. I feel like the video should start by just telling them the facts. Before you like the video, please like and subscribe before you even continue, because the last part people don't even reach the last part.
That's where we don't have too much of watching hours as much as I was showing you earlier. So the more abantu banga watch to the end, because mostly saying guti kusho yabo make they only watch to 25 minutes. So he was complaining with guys, please watch the whole thing. Kabangu make una like 1 million something subscribers, but people only watch 25. Do you understand? So about if more people can watch to the end, that's where nothing can reach even our watching hours, and there's gonna be easy. You understand? So now guys, if you guys can, you are saying smash.
So they get tired of them. This special pass.
So says.
Broadcasting. Like smash pass like. About burning tobacco and about say.
But lastly, they pull out and it's I try to get Milona, Abani, but they don't feel comfortable or whatever. So that's why.
So yeah, before you recover, it has to have a thing. That thing is so no matter we video separate, don't like station jail my life spice like ukuthi you must like nje ukuthi before nibukela like subscribe, please comment on the below anything, just put an emoji,
comment however
put
you
anything,
feel, put it there
because
bafana bezamlo asina bafana ntisikhamantombazana bafana bezamlo ningakhohlwa ke next week kilo nako showing shop. Wait,
on their shows?
It's me. Same days, same time.
And put all the energy. See, to be your host, you have to carry the show. You must make sure it's a show like
I'm so like business speech like the following day I couldn't forget front that's filler.
No man, shout out to Sposh. They can come through. Banga select the good thing about Basha or else ne ngaba ni host A1, then they can change. This week
like co-host.
Yes. Yeah, but like
I feel like for starters they should shoot with us, then you shoot with them.
Yeah.
Then so they can control like
can they hold on like
guys like lava bazi babashula asintembisa
and bashela ukuthi asipatala sinamba yeah, they are putting themselves out there, you understand?
Yeah guys, okay sharp asintembisa but sobona ngabo mabafika and then like can you please like, subscribe, hit a notification, comment before you watch.
Yes.
Before you call a video, just comment like ningaka-comment because nizokhomenta after sekucedile video. Just like
No, during the video,
Yeah.
however you feel, comment.
yeah.
Mama bekhonto ekuhlekisile.
That's why ngithi bangaka-comment because angifuna babukele ivideo until bese babona into ezobahlekisa ukuthi
Chuma, ngeke bayiqede
Ngeke bayiqede.
bathi
Wow, lady,
Athi wow, makathi wow, athi ha, wow, sposh.
like wow niyawuthini
Uyabhala nesikhathi phela lapha ukuthi commente
What time?
Yabo. Or
yeah, but guys, can you please like, subscribe, hit a notification. Subscribe, hit a notification, guys. Like icons in my just press a button.
But then when we hit 10K, we might go out and then see your vlog.
To buy it.
Ilona video following you around. Hi guys, Lena ngabanjani? No, hi when you gama lazy, tata masimba, whatever. Then until
you should buy like propaging a trade. They do my trade. Oh, it's enough. Yo, so princess and propag a bad thing. Yeah, unatavil. Zap, unatavil. Ah, try not to. Utala ngibekisi hayi ulethi makancane phela ngisase ku vlog.
So you can just imagine, right? Now we have Kasi case stories, then we have angazi ukuthi the upcoming show which is over here. Then we have like Abo Benito on the show. I'm not on the show man, on the vlogs, like it's about like a team, like very solid team. You understand? So that's why I was even saying, like that time when I said we're gonna celebrate like 1K.
Okay.
Guys, don't subscribe. You also like
listen this much. That's why last when I say we're gonna celebrate like 1K, I was gonna call each and every one who contributed to the network. Then Baba Con, That's why now I'm saying we're going to 10K celebration. I know it's gonna be bigger and it's gonna be outside and it's gonna be better. So for me, like I'm moving, like I'm not focusing on one thing. Like I keep on thinking like ahead. Which okay, from 10K we might celebrate in maybe 50K. From 50K, we must like 100 in. Yeah, 100K subscribers. That's where you're gonna get a plaque, less silver, YouTube and stuff. It's another celebration. That's a huge milestone. In fact, we're gonna be doing it even much bigger than that. So these things, guys, it's a movement. It's not about you guys. It's not about me. It's not about Bani. It's a whole network. So I focus on Kasi case stories. I focus on Easy on it. It's not focusing on Benito's show or what. It's a network. That's why when I think, I'm not thinking just into Yalana. It's all about like Sutolemile is an umbrella. Yes. You understand? It's a network.
It's a network.
So when we celebrate 10K, it's not gonna be like us only. It's gonna be like the whole network. If Umundo anga pichanga well anga pichanga.
So Benito's a host that one.
So you see, we even have Abantaba. So we don't know where Asaz Witilentolene is over Hopi, guys. So this is huge, guys. This is big. As I see Ntoe Ngatilana. Then after Stadium of Vlogs and whatever, you guys were still gonna give us a review. Naming when you guys review on my show, Benito gonna give review which how was like it's more like a team building type shit. Do you guys understand? So now in Zoti Begunjan, ban yo, ban yo, whatever. So it's gonna be a thing. So it's a network thing. It's not about you guys, it's not about me, it's a network.
But you know what's the beautiful thing I've taken from what you are saying? It is an umbrella. It's what I mean. It's an umbrella. We're all different segments under Yona, which is why we should like even the other shows as well. I feel like we should get to a point where we are like promoting it. We should be doing that because we are under the same umbrella. We are the same team.
Oh, and thanks for all the guys who promoted my last show where I had Benito and his team.
I could also.
Shout out, So shout out.
People follow me, Jay. People follow me.
All right,
What? You guys shut up.
Okay, so shout out, guys.
I said it because I feel like we won.
Yeah.
We won just because.
Phansi komuntu oyi-1.
Watch out, feeling offended.
Alright.
Yabona u-Adi ne ngokumazi kwami u-Adi umuntu okham o-reserved noma ethi angakaze ngitsheli ne mara mina ngibona engathi uyangingisa uma ukhuluma ne you do vele. That's why I notice makangingiza kanjalo akakhona uku-explaina izinto ezi-long term like i-paragraph or into ezine-conflict. I don't uvele ayibeke in a simple sentence, one sentence
or one line.
And u-Adi yena akana competition, you know, umuntu engathi uyazazi yebo uzama like akana lento lekuthi sinokudlalisana but umuntu ongafeel intimidated noma enza nasikhathi ngimokhanayo. We don't I also like ngifeel ngathi ngawokeka no-Adi like u-Adi leyo umuntu come and reserved nje, you know, like mara khona lama bumps but yena upholile, you know,
sweet.
Like yabo and akakhulumi kakhulu, you know, because nginothisa ukuthi akafuni explain akakhulu njengamanje ngishaye paragraph ngibeke yena angeke ayibeke. Oh okay, you know, fast. Then Obedi in personality yakhe Obedi umuntu naye ngathi uthanda uku-understandisa abantu izinto ngathi i-personality yakhe is more like
over explaining.
Yeah, she's over explaining and then she also likes being in control. Ngathi being not in a bad way ngasho ngithi you know what's happening ngasho yini, you know, like ini ezenzeka ene ufuna ukuyibeka nawe ufuna ukubonakala ukuthi uyibekile, you know, ufuna ukumamelwa, ufuna ukuthi bakuze ukuthi you know into yakho it has a valid reason ne ngathi ube ngathi into yakho so you practice the whole night i-point yakho ufuna ukuyibeka because you know ukuthi iyo exactly. And personality yakho it's so sweet umuntu mase kakujwayele. That's what I noticed because when time goes on mase sisonke nje you so sweet, we confident booster mangibhekile yabo ene umuntu ongana nawe awuna competition, you know, in terms of friendship awuna competition, awuna, you know, ufuna ukuthi wonke umuntu abe muhle nje, you know, awuna lento lokuthi ngimkhulu or you know engathi you just that nje leyo type, you know. Unothi naye ngathuthulile yazi ngathi uthulile but ma ukhuluma like ngathi mase ihamba isikhathi mase umjwayele umuntu right open up yabo. Now umunye umuntu engizisi ukuthi engathi akana self confidence in terms of like ngathi yena like when your own self ubeka thina then you try to inside yourself engathi uzama you know ukusibeka kungathi yimuyonele ngathi manje you know ngifuna ukuba muhle but awuzazi ukuthi ube muhle ngeyiphi indlela, you know, sile ukuthi engathi awuna self confidence.
I feel like for Uneli, I feel like sabokuqala abangani bakho ne aba gay and flamboyant like ngendlela esingakhona uyaqala nabangani abaso right. So I feel like in terms of Uneli, sorry to uzoqhubeka, I'm sorry, I'm just saying ukuthi I feel like Uneli, I'm so happy that someone like her who's ukuthi first time yakhe naye azikhipha ngendlela azikhipha ngayo, you understand. Nami ngimncane bengifisa namba nomngani engizokwazi ukuthi ngibheke kuyena ngithi okay, you know what, also that's the person I am, so I love with being that cool. Like ngiyathanda kuba naleyo crowd because bangenza ngibe yimi, bangenza ukuthi ngivule, like ngivule, I can open up, I can be, you know. That's one thing I've seen about Uneli, when the first time I met her she was so quiet, you know, but I was the one who was like, you know what, thing is fundisa ukumjwayela Uneli, you know, but mangimjwayela she opens up, you understand, which means she's comfortable with the people she's with, you understand. She's getting comfortable. The most because even from you know, even from the first episode, the second Nelly, you know, the Nelly is coming out of the, you know, the shower. She's being comfortable with it, like inside the box. We understand. We are poor, like we are You understand? Which is a good thing. It's a wonderful thing. I love to see her grow. Like for Mina, seeing her like ngiyafisa ukuthi nami njengoba nginguye nami ngisaqala nomngani flamboyant kangaka. Ngiyafisa ukuthi nginomngani ongikhuthaza ukuthi hayi mngani faka lela dress hayibo chomi. You understand lonto leyo? That's why I love her so much. It's like, okay, you know, I have a friend that I can say even at her starting point, you know, we were able to be there, to be those kind of friends to her. Ukuthi abe comfortable yabo. Because masaqala awukho comfortable.
Yeah.
You know? So into engijabula ngone, I'm sorry to add so much.
Usibash umuntu othanda izitabane. Uyazithanda izitabane ezinye, uyazithanda ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke. Why ngisho kanje? Because I noticed ukuthi bekangithanda sangibona, then azabe the whole day githi, you know, engathi uthanda ukuhlanganisa. Umuntu othanda izitabane uyazithanda. Uyayithanda into efana nayo yabo. Now unenhliziyo enhle and everything, but ugel une competition. Mangithi une competition I thought it's first into nje yokuphapha until time to time like uyabona ukuthi ugel engathi, you know,
ukuhlula
ingathi okay akafuni ukuhlulwa, you know, ngifeel ngathi awuthanda ukuhlulwa, you know, no matter ngaze ngisigcokele lento le ngisigcokele, then ufeel ngathi uzoyithatha ngathi competition ngoba wena ugcoka ngathi today, or abantu laba asohamba balibe bascreamela ubani bathi oh lo we pink, ufeel ngathi abangibonanga, you know, ngifeel ngathi nalento le uhlezi nalento le so me inkinga ngithini angaze ngikutshale ne, but into engibona ngayo I'm sure ngawukhona into ozibona ngami maybe engazazi, but mina ngifeel ngathi wena the rest nje into nice everything uyasithanda itabane nje ufuna sisonke, because I notice ukuthi uyabaletha nabo cheries laba bonke abonozimanga uyabathanda wena umuntu othanda nje abantu abafana nje ngawo, but ngifeel ngathi ngize ngasho ngathi the other time nganotha ukuthi uthanda ukucompete, or ngaze ngasho ngayibeka as a suggestion ngathi ubone ngathi mabakuncoma kakhulu masi maybe C4 ufeel ngathi I'm the one,
which it shouldn't,
you know. Ngize nganotha lento le and nalento ka Ada I also noticed ukuthi ezinye izinto awumeli isikhathi somunye umuntu ukuthi sibe njani, you know. So hamba sisonke si-crew sonke istrata bayothi be today it's no matter ungangiboni ngi-entertainer, I don't like nje, but just ungazobe uthi nami ngila, you know, lento le ungabi too engathi
leyo ngale nami ngila yabona leyo ukuthi nami ngila nayo, but leyo ukuthi namhlanje babona like
i-competition lokuthi nami ngila, that's competition on its own.
No,
Because
ufuna ukuthi
uyabona ukuthi yini inkinga
inkinga
yazini, when you're not looking good for yourself, you're looking good to beat down others. Which that is that's the wrong step you are taking. Yabona at this time mase kuza manje, it's something you should see nawe as umuntu uzama ukuyi-evaluate usibheke mawuyicabanga ukuthi mawuhleli ke ngicabanga ukuthi ungisabe outfit ka Adi, just know ukuthi leyo nto leyo it's not you, it's the fear of ukuhlulwa. Awuhlulwa abangani bakho, umngani umthanda noma kunjani, umngani angaba nento engaka phezulu kwakho angahlala edouble story, but makuwumngani umthanda ngoba uyini umngani. You don't want to look better than umngani, you don't want to do better than umngani. Siyabangani, asicompete, siyathandana. Into esihlanganisayo yini uthando, hayi competition. Ungathi ngoba nakho ade faka i-crop top enhle uthi hayi ngiyachange.
Don't do that. Change. Change.
yabona ngisasho nje ngithi uThomi into enginothile, alright usweet une-vibe, but inkinga ukuthi it's the thing ukuthi ufuna ukubonakala and wayengisho kanjalo nesho mina ngize ngasitshela ngathi maybe ungibhekela phansi mina because mina ngihlezi ngithi umuhle, you know, noku-Adi Chomi nginokuthi the last day ngifeel ngathi ngi downfall yo-Adi the time ngithi umuhle natural, so kumele this stupid ukubona izinto sicabanga after time bengathi umngane wami ngimenza ukuthi afile some other type of way because ngithe usiboshe ngathi muhle naturally akadingi edit yabo ukubona into le because they
ngangijwayele ukuyisho lento leyo
ngayisho the day now khona the day wathi yekelana ukula
It's not about naturally, it's about lighting. Just because you are lighter skinned doesn't make you beautiful more than another person. Just because we are different shade on camera doesn't make you beautiful kunomunye umuntu. Skin color somuntu usiphiwe ngoba kuyinto ayiphiwe.
Yento ngivele nganothi ukuthi maybe Dino. So guys, please like and share.
Leave a comment.
hit the notification button up below and clan.
Yes, yeah.
Then watch the video till the end.
Yes, honey, and be the girl that's in tune with the girl.
To subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. And when someone drop a video, you'll be notified.